Well, in a visit with one of my clients this week, we talked about some things that were really, really serious, and something that I think everybody should know about and know how to handle, what to look out for. Her spouse, her husband, has terminal cancer, and the home loan is in the husband's name, and in discussions with the mortgage company upon his death, they have the right to come in and foreclose, and where does she go? So this is something that I think everyone ought to know about, man or woman. I mean, I certainly would not want to put someone in that situation by not giving them the right advice. Jeff, what should someone need to know about that circumstance with their home mortgage?
That's a tough circumstance because everybody looks at life and thinks everything's going to just be fine, and then something bad will hit. Jerry knows well about that because he insures. In her case, it's too late to go get cancer insurance. In her case, it's probably too late to go get mortgage insurance that would cover in the event of death. What they can do is, she did not become liable on the note because he obligated himself. She did sign the mortgage.
I want to say, this is something that a lot of husbands would do because it is taking the financial responsibility of the house and not leaving that with the wife.
Correct.
So that's not all bad.
It's not all bad. The only problem is he obligated himself on a note for that house, and the sad part is, even though if the worst happens, they're still going to demand that the note be paid, and they may give her some time, and that's where she can ask for what's called forbearance, meaning, please bear with me while I sell this house.
Well, and there's the forbearance issue, though, so she can ask for that.
Correct.
And also life insurance. Mortgage insurance versus life insurance. I'm not a fan of mortgage insurance because you can generally get a cheaper life insurance policy. You can increase the value of your life insurance rather than just having a specific mortgage insurance policy. Exactly. Is that correct, Jerry?
That is correct.
I always recommend go see your insurance agent. Don't ever take whatever a lender has to offer.
You're not an insurance agent.
No.
Why are you selling me insurance?
I don't have a license, so
whether you buy it from me or you buy it from Jeff or you buy it online, that's not the point. The point is that this family now is stuck with decisions that they made based on neglect. They neglected to pay attention to the problem before it happened because no one wants to talk about if I lose my husband or if I lose my wife. But the responsible adult thing to do is to sit down with someone that you trust, even if it's you, Jeff, and talk about, what do I need in the event of death? Because you're not a life insurance guy.
I'm not.
That's what I mean by even if it's you. Don't take yourself out of the mix. The reason that people don't talk to life insurance salesmen is because they don't want to be sold. That's why they don't talk to life insurance salesmen.
So you don't trust the person that you're wanting to buy from?
No one wants to be sold. So what I tell people is, if you come and talk to me about life insurance, whether you use me or not, I want to help you make good, conscious decisions for your family. Because now we have to go ask for forbearance. No, this lady's going to be homeless. She's going to maybe have to go on welfare, all because they saved a little bit of money and they didn't have anyone that they could trust, anyone that would say, look, what is best for you? Whether you buy from me or not, I want to help you make good, conscious decisions, and I know that's true with both of you guys.
Well, and this comes down to a general plan for life, a life plan. And I think one of the concerns that this person has is that even if they did keep the house, they couldn't afford the payment, so they would go ahead and move anyway, but they don't want to lose their equity by having a forced sale of, okay, he died, and you have to sell it right now.
And how much more stress is all of that right now while they're going through this
and that's why we're talking about it.
Here's one other food for thought. I don't offer them, many places do. If she has enough equity, she needs to consult with a reverse mortgage specialist. See if there is enough equity to save that house. There's many options.
And a reverse mortgage actually pays you every month.
Correct.
And increases your loan.
Yes.
So it has to be a good plan. You don't want to get into one that's backwards, but reverse mortgages can be an incredible tool to help somebody through difficult times. So great information.
Yeah, if they ever need food for thought, they can call your people. You have people that know about that. They can call us just for advice, any of us.
Get a perspective. That's what I'm talking about. 481-6833. Jeff Sargent, O&B Residential Mortgage, thank you very much. And insurance guy, Jerry Szeszulski, 254-2578. I'm Darryl Baskin of the Baskin Real Estate Specialists at McGraw Realtors. We'll be back with more right after this.